Mamma mia che profumino, una squisitezza! Hello, hello. Your chef Paolo is here for you. Welcome everybody to my kitchen, guys. Today I woke up with needs and I want chocolate today, guys. But I want to make a really nice chocolate cake, but healthy and lighter than the normal chocolate cake. Why? Because we're gonna use, instead of the flour, we're gonna use the oats. So if you want some sweet, this is the right cake to make. And of course, it's super easy with your Chef Paolo. So let's see the ingredients, guys. Here we have 130 grams of oats, 5 grams of baking powder, 100 grams of sugar, 30 grams of chocolate powder, 100 grams of milk. I'm gonna put some small piece of chocolate in the middle, some nuts as a decoration, 2 eggs, and of course 2 bananas. Alright, let's start our cake. We take a bowl and we put first 2 bananas. We smash our banana. After our 2 bananas are well smashed, we add 2 eggs. And now is the time to start to mix. You see? After 2 minutes, we add the baking powder, 100 grams of sugar, and 30 grams of chocolate. And we mix. Very, very nice. Now, time to add 100 grams of milk. And we keep mixing. And we add 130 grams of oats. Here we are. Is that difficult? It's not. And it's super, super delicious. How long it takes? 5 minutes, 6 minutes. You can easily make it even for a breakfast for your children. It's full of really good ingredients. Now let's put all our cream in a container for the oven. We put some chop of chocolate. And we finish to put our cream on top. As a decoration, some nuts. Here we are. Now, 25 minutes, 180 degrees. Let's go. And our super delicious cake. Mamma mia, quanto è bello! Mamma mia che profumino, una squisitezza! Such an amazing smell! We take it out, look! Mamma mia, how easy it is! And down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tan, 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 tan. And now it's the time to try. Mamma mia! So crunchy on top and so soft inside. Look, guys, look. I go. It's a little hot. How can be so easy and so delicious? Your children can make. You can make with them. They're gonna have a lot of fun, and it's relaxing. Making cake is one of the most relaxing and therapeutic things, guys. When I am a little bit nervous, I close myself in the kitchen and I make some cake. This is the cake. Few steps, easy peasy, always with your Chef Paolo. Always here, same kitchen, same place, same chef. Se vedremo. Bye bye! Mamma mia! Mamma mia, ammazza quanto è buona!